What's up, y'all? It's your girl, FitnessWithFlexHERS. Welcome to my new office, right? So, for those of you that don't know, I've been doing personal training via video chat, which has actually been really cool. Like, it's been a lot of fun. My girls have not stopped their progress, which is the most important thing. We continue going in, going hard. This summer, we are going to show out because the coronavirus is not going to stop us, right? So, this is personal training quarantine style. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of people have been asking me for tips, asking me for certain things that they can be doing at home, whether it's food, whether it's what do I take or drink when I'm feeling under the weather, or exercises. So I decided to try my best to make as many videos as I can, sharing little tips and little things that can help you during this time that you are home and that you want to invest in yourself. So for today, I want to share with you oregano and what it does for me and how it has changed my life completely. So, a lot of you use oregano to season, whether it's on pizza, whether it's to make a moro, whether it's to make a very delicious pasta sauce. But today, we are going to be talking about the properties it has and the effects it can have on you if you drink it in the form of a tea. So, a lot of people buy oregano oil. I have never had experience with oregano oil, but I do have uh, a big experience with dry leaves. So what this does is that it helps boost your immune system. It helps with upper respiratory infections, is antiviral, antibacterial. Um, it helps support your immune system, and I am a big fan of oregano leaf. For those of you that do know me, know that when it comes to this, I go a little crazy because it legit has helped me with absolutely everything, from the cold, a flu, a stomach bug, whatever it is. If I'm feeling under the weather, the first thing I do is drink a tea. So what I do is that I put a little bit of the dry leaf in a pot of boiling water. I let it sit and I drink that liquid. I don't drink the leaves, so you can strain out the leaves. And of course, I'm not a doctor, but if you do want and if you are interested in the benefits of this, really look into it, guys, because I'm telling you, this will change the way you live, especially when you're feeling under the weather. So the way I came across this was that one time I had a stomach bug. I don't know what I ate. I think that something had a lot of bacteria on it and it really upset my stomach. I was throwing up all over the place. It was so bad that I couldn't go into work. And for those of you that know me, you guys know that at all costs I will show up, especially when it comes to work. So my significant other, he's Dominican and he's very familiar with this, and he tells me, Sam, you should really think about drinking an oregano tea. Now, I'm Colombian, and the part of Colombia that we're from, we don't really use oregano too much. And being that it was something new to me, the smell was very strong. It was something that I'm like, I kind of don't really want to do that right now. My stomach's upset. The last thing you want to do is drink something that's going to aggravate it even more, right? And he really, really encouraged me to do that and to drink this tea because he knew that this would change my life. So I became so desperate from all the throwing up, from feeling like crap. I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it because I need to stop feeling like this. And let me tell you guys that once I drank this tea, it was night and day. I went from feeling like I was going to throw my guts up to I felt like nothing had happened to me at all, right? So this is something I drink that when I feel like I'm getting a cold, when I feel like I'm getting the flu, when I eat something and it's not setting properly. And this is my go-to before I do anything else, I drink a cup of this and I see how I feel. If my symptoms start to go away, I continue to drink it. Of course, you know, there's things that you have to make sure you get the proper attention for. This is more like a little home remedy or like a holistic approach that you can take. But trust me, this is something that can really change your life the way it has for me. If you guys have seen the movie My Big Fat Greek Wedding, the way that the dad uses Windex for everything, if you get burned, if you fall, he Windexes everything. That is me when it comes to oregano, because it truly has helped me a lot. So hopefully for those of you out there that are feeling a little under the weather, that have obviously gone to the doctor and made sure that it's nothing too serious, this is definitely something that can help you. I encourage you to go online and research all the benefits that oregano has for you. It's truly amazing. I never thought that an herb that we use to season food with can really help your health and the way that you feel. All right guys, so stay tuned because I'm going to try my best to put up as many videos as I can with little tips and little things that can help you, and stay safe.